iconic structures in Papua New Guinea. The Parliament House of Papua New Guinea is a magnificent building designed to reflect traditional architecture of Papua New Guinea and decorated with traditional carvings and artwork to remind us of the rich heritage of the hundreds of tribes in Papua New Guinea. The construction of the Parliament House by the Australian architect Cecil Hogan definitely made a mark on the city, with its unique shapes mixing the Abalam tribe, House Tambaran style, the House of Spirits, and the traditional Highland Circle house. The main building is built in House Tambaran style, House of Spirits in Tokpisin, with its A-frame and long design, while the cafeteria's structure follows the Highlands roundhouse. With a superb facade, rich in mosaics depicting Papua New Guinean motifs, the complex is one of the most remarkable monuments in the city. Inspired by the traditional sacred houses in the Maprik region of East Sepik Province, the rocket-shaped roof pointing to the sky gives the building his unique and futuristic look. The iconic building was officially opened in 1984 by His Royal Highness Prince Charles of Wales. The National Parliament is the most iconic building of Port Moresby and the symbol of Papua New Guinea, one of the most stunning architectural pieces of the Pacific nations, and is a modern reflection of Papua New Guinea's rich tribal heritage. The iconic structure is an outstanding ode to the unrivaled heritage of Papua New Guinea's hundreds of tribes, a symbol of its enthralling customs celebrated since generations. It is far more than just a building or even just a parliament. It is, for Papua New Guinea, a symbol of political independence. It is a cathedral dedicated to the people and to democracy.